Hi everyone, this is Diane. I just made a video sharing a happy mail that I got from Salena of Amour Fabriques, and she sent me these dyed pieces. I'm not sure if she dyed the chenille. She may have, but I don't know. I have to find out. But I know, look at those beautiful colors. I know she dyed these little doilies, and she dyed these lace fabric pieces. So I was thinking I want to keep these all together so I can do projects with these all in one journal, hopefully. And that got me thinking about, so I'm making my own Salena kit with these. And it might have been a bundle in her shop. So it got me thinking about the other bundles that I've purchased from her that I haven't used yet. And I may have shown these when I first got them. I don't know. But I'm going to show them to you again. And I'm going to keep all my Salena kits together and hopefully use them pretty soon. So these both are kits that I wanted to make for myself because she had these kits that were put together with children's books and very old ones. Some of them are first editions, and this one might be. Yes, it's a first edition. But I loved this picture because, you know, I love the idea of home. I'm a domestic homebody, and I just love home images. So I thought I would use this to make myself a journal. And so I bought this kit from her. I don't think all the pages are home themed by any means, but the cover, the book definitely is. So she just had all these kits together with a vintage Golded book and pages like these. The buttons, they really match the dyed things that I just got from her. And so there are just all sorts of pages, music pages. There's a crossword page, coloring books, other children's books. Lots of children's book pages. Beatrix Potter. Oh, this one's all bundled up together. Such cute pages. There's a Raggedy Ann page. Lots and lots of book pages. And then some smaller ones. And besides book pages, she included this bridge score sheet. I've never seen one like that. A flashcard with a clock. Savings and loan record. This must be from a game. Yahtzee. Play on words. Don't know that game. And this little card that... Did you make this, Salena? Somebody made it. And it's a really fun journal card. And April showers. April with umbrellas and rain. Bank receipt. Recipe card. And then the fabrics. This looks like a little school theme fabric. Some blue rickrack. Red and white stripes. I love this. Oh, several rickracks. Look at this tiny little, this would make such cute little patches on things. I love it. The primary colors and the numbers, and a denim pocket from a child's jean, it looks like, with those buttons. It was such a fun kit. And I have plenty of children's book pages, but I really wanted this book. And the other kit I got these both at the same time. This was a Patchwork Quilt kit. So the main focus on the kit was some patchwork quilt pieces. So there's this, and she cut it into pieces that could be a book cover. So this could be a book cover. And it's quilted on both sides. I've never seen that. Usually they have a solid backing fabric for the quilt. And then there was a larger piece that's not quilted. It's pieced, but not quilted. And I love this. The small pieces. And a fabric to line this one with. This one is already lined, but she sent a fabric to line this piece to make a book cover. And this was a good selling point too. She took a piece of vintage quilt and cut it into 2 heart shapes and sewed them together. And I don't remember, I think maybe there was some thread through the grommets because she added grommets, and then maybe it tied the bundle, was on the outside of the package or something. But I love this. And then again, book pages, and these are all from Patchwork Quilt books. I'm going to leave a link to Salena's shop. I was going to go and look and see if she still had any of these kits. I bought these quite a long time ago, but I think the last time I was at her shop, she still had either this one or the Golden Book one, some of those kits left. But she always has kits and always has fabrics and fun things. I love these pages. Dick and Jane workbook and a pretty little note card. And then she also included this little quote, a piece of gimp trim, blue crochet, a little piece of eyelet, this string. This was probably what was tied through the hearts and then wrapped around. A white doily, I love that. And a little strip of quilted fabric. So pretty. And then she added some Monopoly money and a little Monopoly card. She puts together the most beautiful kits. So go check out her channel and her shop. And I'm going to be adding this to my little container that has my Salena kits. And I think this would work really well with this. And I'll use these. I mean, there's a lot of chenille here and a lot of lace. So I'll use them in other projects. But I want to make one of these Salena kits real soon into a journal. So these are journals that I want to make for myself. But while I make this one, I might make another 1 or 2 Golden Book journals to sell. And while I make this one, I have other quilted fabrics, so I might make, journals to sell. That's what I usually do. If I make one for myself, I make 1 or 2 for the shop too. So I just wanted to show those to you. I may have shown them before, but I don't remember, and I have new viewers that may not have seen it. So there you go. And I wanted to promote Salena too, because she works so hard for the junk journaling community, and she is so generous and sweet, and you need to get to know her. So I will leave it there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.